Manipur census amadi delimitation ki thabak thorum sing Matam khara Yeithoknaba Lok Sabha ki MP Dr. Bimol Akoijam na Union Home Minister Amit Saha da cherol thaduna Takshinkhre MP Bimol na thaba cherol adugi matung inna chahi asigi March tang kuntra da Lok Sabha ki Rule 377 gi makada hiram asigi matang da wafam pukat palaikre Loinana Manipur da NRC pangthoktuna amadi Manipur gi damak Foreigners Tribunal ama lingdriba fauba census amasung delimitation ki thabak thorum sing Yeithoknaba cherol thaduna khangan basu laikre Manipur da haujik mioi lising humfurom irang asina maram oiraga lanjen aduna leiri Fibam asida census pangthokpagi matang matam chadaba haibadu oiri masigi su mathakta Manipur da thokliba irang asi pakthok chawthorakli mamangda irang thoklamdaba ukrul kamjong amasung None district da scheduled tribe ki furup masal gi marakta hingsa gi thokduk kaya thokli Loinana haujik Manipur fauna chatliba national highway singda miyam gi tangai fadana changba potlam sing ayat apan yaudana pusilakpa ngamdana leiri maramaduna lanjena ribasing masa masa gi yumda hanjinduna Manipur da tangdu leitaba hanjilaktriba fauba amadi mitop sing khantokpagi kanglon ama pangthoktriba faubadi Manipur da census ki thabak thoram sing asi yeithokpiyo wafam asi mahak census ki mayokta lay haibanate Manipur miyam na pamgadaba amasung missing gi chapchaba figure ama fangma ngamnanaba honaminasi haina MP Dr. Bimol Akoijam gi cherol asina Union Home Minister Amit Saha gi pukning Census.
They are trying to inflate these numbers so that in the delimitation process they get more seats. And this has been an unresolved issue. So we have these unresolved issues. This is one of the facts that I have mentioned in my letter to the Home Minister in March, that until unless you resolve these unresolved issues of censures, judiciously address these things themselves, you should not also go ahead with this census data. The people are inflating this data. And you have this law and order situation where you can't have an accurate, proper census process. And the third concern is, increasingly over the years, we have a concern of illegal immigrants in Manipur. And I can give you some examples, over the years, if you compare the unsettling situation in Burma, now Myanmar, and if you track for example, the Chin state in Burma, neighboring us, and the population growth of Manipur, you will say that increase in population is far more higher in Manipur than neighboring Chin state in Burma. In fact, the last report suggested that there was a drastic decline in Chin state's population.